Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to use and redeem PayPal gift card. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Both physical and digital gift cards function similarly, enabling one person to give another a sum of money to spend at a certain business or franchise. A PayPal gift card is simple to obtain. You may give one digitally to a recipient by text message or email as long as they have working email account. The gift card might alternatively be printed up and delivered in person, or it could be mailed to the recipient. So as you can see, these are the popular gift cards that you can redeem using your PayPal. Once issued, a PayPal gift card will include a 16-digit code. To use a gift card you've purchased through PayPal Gifts, start by verifying the email with the important gift card information. If your gift card is printed out, you'll need to register it to your PayPal account online. Your digital card will have a special code that may be used at the retailer's website or physical location. You may now visit retailer's website when you're ready to shop and add your desired products to your shopping basket. Okay, so by logging in, choosing wallet, so all you have to do is just simply look for add or redeem gift card option. Okay, and then enter a 16-digit code from your gift card. The gift card balance should be added to your PayPal account right away, often instantly. So once you've added the gift card to your PayPal account, it is as simple as selecting the gift card balance as your payment method when you check out. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.